Bless you. Bless you. Bless him. He knows a lot, huh?
Everything.
Also, some planes have a ram air turbine.
A ram air turbine, Adam?
Yeah.
And what does that do?
It gets emergency systems back on if the engines fail.
Okay.
Then the ram air turbine can help to bring back the systems.
To bring back the systems to control the aircraft.
Yeah. But due to the no engine power, the landing gear doors will not come up.
Okay. Okay.
After that, you have to do something else to lower the flaps.
Oh, you have to do something else to lower the flaps?
Yes.
Okay.
You have to lower them by gravity alone.
Okay. Okay.
You have to drop the gear by gravity alone.
Uh-huh.
And if you have no hydraulics and your plane is banking right, you reduce the engine. You reduce engine 1 and increase engine 2.
Okay.
Then the plane will go level again.
Oh, wow. It's called asymmetrical power, yeah?
Yeah.
How old are you?
5 years, 11 months.
Get out of here.
Really?
No way.
I don't let me kiss
Bless you. Bless you.
You're so smart. My God, you
Bless
will be
you.
like. What you gonna do actually when you grow
Mashallah.
up? Not pilot, but what do you
No.
wanna be?
I will be a captain,
Yes.
just like you.
Yes. Better than me. Better than me, yeah?
Yeah,
I can't wait to fly with you. Will you remember me?
yeah,
You will?
yeah. What's
Okay.
your name?
Samar.
Summer.
Samar, will you remember that? Okay. I need to meet your parents.
Okay.
All right? Shall we go?
Yeah, the flight engineer can tell the pilot if all hydraulic systems are down to 0.
Oh, wow. He can let them know, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, but now we don't need a flight engineer.
yeah.
We have the ECAM, which you probably know about.
Well, the TCAS can tell
Oh.
if there is an impact coming.
Okay.
One will tell to climb, and one will tell to descend.
Oh, wow. That's what's that system called?
It's called TCAS.
TCAS. Wow.
Do you know
Good stuff.
TWS?
More power meant to climb.
Uh-huh.
Less would result in a dive and crash.
Oh, wow. Wow, we don't want to do that, do we?
Yeah.
Okay.
I could see the flaps lower in the air.
Oh, you saw that?
Yeah,
Oh, wow. Can I meet your parents?
yeah.
Let's go. You're something else. Bless you.